Alright, good morning everybody. As y'all know, I got the Z3 the other day. Well, after I bought it, the alternator went out and the Gibo went out, so had to order some parts. They're in. After 3:30 today, you know, Caleb's gonna come over, we're gonna put them on, so y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, bought some bolts earlier for the Gibo, for the Z3. They didn't fit, so now I am on the way to BMW to go get the actual bolts that are freaking $5 a piece. On the way to pick up Caleb, then we're gonna return the old bolts. Then we're on the way to BMW. So this is turned out to be an adventure, man.
What's going on, guys? I just got off of work and I'm about to go to my boy's house to help finish the Z3 up, so that should be fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a cold start from the Z. Let's get this cold start going. Alright, I'll pick up the vlog when I get to his house. Alright guys, so we're on the way to the BMW dealership. Tell them why.
So that Z3 I bought, the bolts that go into the Gibo that holds the drive shaft to the transmission, it was missing two. And it was vibrating really bad, so we're off to go get new bolts.
Yep, so stay tuned. Alright, so we're back at it. Here's the new guy bolt. Here's the other one, the old one, kind of shitty. Alright, so we're about to get it ready. You struggling there, big guy?
Yep, but I got it.
You got the bolts in?
Oh, I got one of these motherfuckers in.
Damn, this
Trying to
Z3 is
anyways.
pretty fucking clean on the bottom though.
Not really. It's a little clean, but
I mean, there's no rust, no nothing.
fuck! I'm an asshole, bro.
Nice. Alright, so we got it on, guys.
New Gibo is on.
New Gibo is on. Hopefully it drives well, so
I'm about to find out.
momentarily. On the road trip.
Fingers crossed that it runs, guys.
Yeah. Hopefully no vibration this time. Let's see.
All right, bud. Fingers crossed.
Moment of truth right here, boys. Hell yeah, you fixed the bitch. Alright. Alright. Tell him what's up.
Well, we're going 80 right now in fourth gear, so I mean...
No vibrations at all, bud.
That means I'm definitely going to do a third gear pull on the way back.
Definitely. So we fixed it.
Yeah, it's fixed.
Damn right. Hell yeah. Alright.
I mean, I'm going to check it when we get back just to make sure they're tight still.
Yeah.
But I'm not going to check all that shit like I did last time.
Alright. Hell yeah. So we got it, boys.
She running fine.
She running good. She running clean. Okay.
Alright guys, if you like the videos from today, please like and subscribe and stay tuned. We'll be posting videos bi-daily, so